Today I will share how to create this neon portrait effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will require this image of a woman and this neon triangle and this smoke. So let's start with it. So first I am choosing this image, okay, and I will click on edit. Now I will go to adjust. So I will increase the brightness a bit, okay, and after that scroll down to increase the highlights and also the shadows part. I will just decrease a bit so that the lights are visible, and after that I will just increase slightly the whites and slightly the blacks. Let's keep the blacks to 5 and increase the saturation part. Okay, so this saturation is actually highlighting the colors more, so that's what I want. Okay, so this one is done. After that, let's increase the clarity a bit so that the image is more in clarity, and after that let's make the image bigger. Okay, and just decrease the saturation a bit because it is looking more when you just increase the size, and now it is good. And after that I will duplicate the image, make it to the same size, and after that click on BG remover. So as you can see, the background is removed for the upper layer, and I will just crop it so that I can differentiate the upper layer and the lower layer. Okay, so after that I will bring this neon triangle, I will rotate it according to my requirement. Okay, so like this, and I will place it right here, and after that right click it, go to layer and send to backward. So as you can see, the image is totally covering the triangle, but we don't want that, so I will crop it till here. Okay, and after that I will just concentrate on this triangle because the colors of the triangle is not matching with the colors of the image, so I will work on that. So I will first work on this color, and I will select this dropper tool to select the color. I will select it from the hair color. So as you can see, it has taken the color, and after that I will select this color, and again I will select the dropper to select it from the hairs. Okay, and increase the part here a bit because in the red part or this pink part, pink red part, the color is not getting prominent with the hair color because the light is falling here, so we are not getting the perfect color. So I just increase that radiance a bit, and after that as you can see, the colors are prominent here. And after that, as you can see, it is not covering the whole of the canvas. So what to do, let's crop a bit here, and as you can see, it is properly matched. And now I will just click on it, go to edit and go to Magic Studio and scroll down to find Magic Expand, and click on whole page and click on expand. So this one looks good, and so as you can see, the effect is done, but we want to extend it a bit. So I will just hold on Ctrl A in the keyboard and select all of them to make it slightly bigger. Okay, so like this, and after that I will use this smoke and I will change it to the same color of this triangle. So for that I will first go to edit and scroll down to find duotone, and I will add this color and see if it is working fine or not. Let's check with this one. So this one looks the best, and let's duplicate it and paste it right here. So this one looks good, and after that just select one of them and duplicate it and bring it right here and flip horizontal and place it right here. Okay, and now I will change it to color this sea blue. Let's see if it is working fine or not. So this one is working fine, and let's make it slightly higher, and after that duplicate it and place it right here. So as you can see, it looks like a smoky neon effect is coming here. So that's why I wanted to show, and hope you like this tutorial and you have learned something out of it. And please subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more tutorials like this in this channel. Thank you.